Minimal house is on an all-time high right now, so let me show you all the steps you need to make a minimal house banger. Including the typical lead, vocals, groovy drums. So let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal. So to kickstart the project, I dropped in a vocal from our new sample pack After Hours 2, follow up of our best-selling After Hours pack. It's made for minimal house, and the vocal sounds like this.
I wanna step to you.
Just straight out of the pack.
I know I play shy.
No processing inside the project, so let's continue with the lead sound. There's this typical Stussy kind of lead that you hear in all those minimal house tracks. It's a really simple preset. So start off with a saw wave, a lot of release, no sustain, and layer it with the same saw about 7 semitones up, giving that vibe of the lead. Then some OTT, filter it, delay, reverb, and run a mod wheel to the delay and reverb as well. And let's dive into the MIDI. Vocal is in C minor, so we're gonna start off on the root note, then variation. So this will be our lead sound. Let's hear it together with the vocal.
I wanna step to you.
Yeah, that's perfect. Exactly the vibe we're looking for, so now we're gonna mix it. First, add some distortion. Remove the low end because we're gonna use a separate bass later on. Some filtering,
I know I play
so we can let it open up during the breakdown. A little bit of delay and reverb.
I wanna
So let's shape the filter like this.
I wanna step to you.
So it's opening up during the second part of the breakdown.
I'm crazy about
And then
you.
I automated the mod wheel,
When I'm around
giving
you.
it washout effect.
Yeah,
And some sort of build up. So that's it for the lead and vocal.
You know,
We got the main elements ready, but now we need to spice it up some more. So a lot of those minimal house tracks tend to use some ear candy as chord steps, some filler leads. Let's make our ear candy as well. So pick a chord sound from the pack. Let's go for this one. Start off on the root note and make a 6th chord like this. And turn it into a 9th chord. Drag back the attack a little bit. And there we have our chord step. Now we're gonna make a plug fill with this one. Just as some sort of melody fill. And add one note octave up like this. Another vibration. Just some really small air candy to make it a bit more interesting. So then to finish off the breakdown, I added some more effects with this ambience at a really low volume, downlifter, uplifter, and snare build. So altogether our breakdown sounds like this.
you know, I'm crazy about you. Ooh, baby, I can't explain how I feel when I'm around you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We got the breakdown ready, so now we're gonna dive in the drums of the drop. So let's start off with a kick. Let's go for this one. And add some loops on top of it. And some shakers. And just mix them together. Then a clap head. And the second shaker at a really low volume. Then route them out to a new drum bass channel and added my new plugin Slammer. It's the perfect one for drum bass mixing with punch, glue, air and warmth. So let's just use it. First add some punch to the drums. Like this. Add some air to it. Bit too much, so keep it around here. So before, and after. Volume is actually lower, but it feels louder and a bit more open as well. So this will be it for the drums. Let's copy them over to the breakdown like this. So altogether our drums sound like this.
I can't explain how I feel when I'm around you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now we're gonna layer the lead sound with a bass. Let's add a new preset from the sample pack. This one has a really nice low end. So just remove the top oscillators. Paste in the MIDI from the lead sound. Something like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And just mix it in. Could also EQ the kick some more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Not really happy with how the top end sounds. And bass is just drag and drop with a preset. Super simple, but it gets the job done. So copy over the lead sound. And then we're gonna make it a bit more interesting. So edit this lead sound. And make a melody like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Again, you can barely hear it, but it just fills it up some more. So for example, let's listen to all the ear candies separately. It was really cool, so let's just drop it in the breakdown as well. And copy over the other element to the drop. And let's add in some fills like this. To make it a bit more interesting. And then it's just a matter of arranging it. That's basically how you make a minimal house drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, hit a like, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Girl, I wanna step to you. I know I play shy, but girl, I